I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start a BMW i3. First, make sure your key fob is securely inside the vehicle, perhaps in the cup holder or your pocket. Next, firmly press down on the brake pedal with your foot. Finally, locate the Start/Stop button, usually near the steering column, and press it once. You should hear a chime and see the dashboard light up, indicating the car is ready to drive. Once your i3 is powered on, you can select your preferred driving mode, such as Comfort, Eco Pro, or Eco Pro Plus, using the rocker switch on the center console. Always confirm the ready indicator appears on your instrument cluster, signifying the vehicle is prepared for motion. If the electronic parking brake is active, simply press the button to release it before shifting into drive or reverse. Sometimes an i3 might not start immediately. A common culprit is a low-key fob battery. Replacing it often resolves the issue. Another potential problem could be the 12-volt auxiliary battery, which powers the car's electronics. It might need charging or replacement. Also, ensure all doors, including the rear coach doors, are completely closed and latched, as the car won't start if a door is ajar. For comprehensive information on your BMW i3, always refer to your owner's manual. It contains valuable insights and troubleshooting tips. Regular maintenance is crucial for optimal performance, so schedule service appointments as recommended by BMW. Also, for those looking to enhance their financial understanding, check the description below for a link to a highly recommended book and other great deals. Keeping your i3 running smoothly and your finances in order is key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.